Yeah, I'll display the rules. I'll go through the rules before the round starts.
Okay.
ठीक है,
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you guys can, you guys have the quiz in front of you. I mean, on the screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
All four of you have it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's. This is episode 8 for the SFICC online cricket quiz. Welcome everyone. Our contestants for today are Deepu Adnani, Manish Kishore, Abhishek Dalal, and Puneet Shah. Let's go to the screen for round 1, please. Let's go through the rules quickly. So this is round 1 where you get, we've done the randomizer, so we know the order. Deepu goes first, Manish goes second, third is Abhishek, and fourth is Puneet. You'll have 2 photos coming in on the screen. You have to guess the correct answer. If you guess both the photos right, these are basically players, you get a connecting question. For each guess, you get 5 points, and if you unlock your question, you get 10 points. As I mentioned earlier, if you have to get both the photos correct to unlock your question. But if you get one photo correct and one photo wrong, you don't unlock your question, but you still get the chance to answer both the photos, even if your first photo is wrong. There is going to be a time limit for each question, so make sure you answer within time. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Just one question. So if
Yeah.
if I answer both the photos right, so that will be 5 plus 5, that is 10, and then additional 10 points, or how? Or total it will be 10 points.
No, 5 plus 5 for each photo is 5 points, and then the question again is 10 points. So you can get a maximum of 20 points in this round.
और इसमें पासिंग का है क्या? If the person जिसका question है उसको नहीं आया तो does it get passed on?
No. There is no passing on. There is no negative marking. It's one question, one set of question per player.
Okay, ठीक है.
And yeah, all right. So Deepu, you are ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, let's start. Let's get the first question on screen, please. First photo. Timer has started.
Sanat Jasuria.
That's correct. Sanat Jasuria is the right answer. Guys, the photo and timer will start together. So make sure you don't wait for me to tell you that the timer has started. Okay. Right answer. Can we have the second photo, please?
Muthaiya Muralidharan.
Muthaiya Muralidharan is the right answer. You have unlocked your question, and your question is: in connection with all formats that these two players have played together, both have captained Sri Lanka in tests and ODIs, both have never batted with each other for Sri Lanka, or both have been questioned for their bowling actions. Your time has started.
Yeah. There's no test. I think it's B.
B. Both have never batted with each
B.
other for Sri Lanka is the right answer. Well done. They have played a combined match, 408 matches together, and they have never batted together. So it's a crazy stat that they both share.
I just took a guess.
I mean, no, this is just all about guess and luck. Okay, and guys, one more thing. Even if you're taking a guess, your first guess will be counted as your answer. So if you're if you're reading it through, just make sure you do it within yourselves. Whatever you speak first will be counted as your final answer. You can't change it. Okay. Manish, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, Manish, you are up next. Your first photo will be on the screen now.
Shakib Al Hasan.
Shakib Al Hasan is the right answer. Well done. And your second photo is?
Rashid Khan.
Rashid Khan is the right answer. Well done. You've unlocked your connecting question. And your question is, with connection to 5 wicket hauls, both have taken 10 5-wicket hauls, both have taken 5 wickets haul in all 3 formats, or both took a 5-wicket haul on their test debut. Your time has started.
Both have taken over 10 5-wicket hauls.
Incorrect. The correct answer is both have taken 5-wicket hauls in all 3 formats.
Okay.
All right. So next we have Abhishek. Abhishek, can you hear me?
Yep.
All right. So can we have the first photo for Abhishek, please?
Muralidharan.
That's correct. Muthaiya Muralidharan is the right answer. And second photo?
Anil Kumble.
Anil Kumble is the right answer. Well done. You've unlocked your question, and your question is: with connection to tests, both hold the joint record for most caught and bold dismissals, both hold the joint record for most bold dismissals, or both hold the joint record for most LBW dismissals. The time has started.
C.
C. Your
Most
answer.
LBW
The answer is incorrect. The correct answer
Oh.
is both hold the joint record for most caught and bold dismissals. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it is 35 caught and bold dismissals in test matches.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now we have Puneet. Puneet, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Can we have the first photo for Puneet, please?
Yasir Shah.
That's correct. Yasir Shah is the right answer. And can we have the second photo, please?
Hassan. I don't know. Hassan Ali. Hassan Ali.
We'll give it to you. Hassan Ali is the right answer. With you unlocked your question, and your question is: with connection to test matches, both have taken 5 wickets each in the same innings of a match, both have taken 100 plus test wickets, or both made their test debut in the same match. And the time starts now. 5 seconds remaining.
Both took 5 wickets each in the same innings.
That's correct. Both indeed took 5 wickets each in the same test innings. Well done. Did you know this, or it was just a guess?
It was just a guess.
Just a guess. I mean, guesses
Yeah.
usually work well.
Because they didn't debut with each other, that I was knowing. And so the first and second was an option.
Yeah, that's how you actually go about, in these rounds, is you try and eradicate the answers which are definitely not true.
Yes.
Anyways,
yes.
well done. This brings us to the end of round 1. Momo, can we have the scores, please? Today our scores are on wheels, is what I've been told. This is the effort the admins take. Okay, so Puneet Shah and Deepu are leading at 20. Abhishek and Manish are on 10. Pretty tight and pretty, there's no evident leader right now. All right, let's start with round 2. So round 2 is basically a topic round where we've done the randomizer again. There will be 6 topics on board. You guys will select one topic each. For every topic that has been selected, the next player cannot select that topic. Okay. There are 4 questions, one each. 10 marks for the right answer. No negative marking. There will be a timer for 10 seconds, and the questions cannot be passed. Manish, you ready?
Yep, ready. Yep.
Okay. Your topics will be on screen now. Please select your topic.
I'll go for hat tricks.
Hat tricks. Okay. And your question is: who is the oldest by age to take a hat trick in Test cricket? The time starts now. 5 seconds remaining.
Lasit Malinga.
Lasith Malinga is the incorrect answer. You got the country right. The correct answer is Rangana Herath.
Rangana
He
Herath.
was 38 years and 148 days old when he took his hat trick.
Okay.
Okay. Deepu Adnani,
Yeah.
select a topic, please.
T20 World Cup.
T20 World Cup. Okay. And your question is: who was the man of the match in the final of the 2009 World T20?
Um,
5 seconds remaining.
Shahid Afridi.
Shahid Afridi is the right answer. Well done.
They won the World Cup also.
Yes, that's correct. Puneet, you're up.
Yeah. Nicknames.
Nicknames. Okay. And the question, please. Which Australian cricketer is nicknamed Tugga? Time starts.
Come on.
5 seconds remaining.
Steve O.
Steve Waugh is the right answer. Well done, Puneet. Again, a guesswork.
I somewhere I had something where I've heard about Tugga. I thought it would be Michael Hayden or Shane
Matthew Eden.
Warne, or it could be someone else. So,
Yeah, but
yeah,
who's
yeah.
Michael?
Sorry, Matthew
Who's
Eden.
Michael? Ah, okay, okay.
It's Matthew Eden.
Matthew.
Chalo, khair. Have you watched the Amazon show, The Test, on Amazon Prime?
Yes,
Oh
yes,
yeah,
I
that's
did.
good.
I
That is
did.
where you must have heard it. Yes, that is where
Yes,
we found the
yes.
question as well. All right, okay.
Oh,
Uh,
glad I.
Abhishek,
Champions Trophy.
Champions Trophy. All right, let's have your question on the screen, please. The ICC Champions Trophy held in Sri Lanka in 2002 ended in a tie/joint winners. Who were the joint winners with Sri Lanka?
India.
Time starts now. Oh, well done. India is the right answer.
Yeah,
Well done.
washed out. No reserve
They
day.
washed out.
Yeah.
Correct.
We would
Washed
have
out.
won it
Yes.
otherwise. We
We
were
would have
doing
won
pretty
it,
well in
yes.
that match. Yeah.
I think we had defeated New Zealand in the semi-finals, if I'm not mistaken. Or it was
I
South Africa.
guess.
I
Don't
think
quote
it
me
was
over
New
that.
Zealand. New Zealand. All right, guys. So that brings us to the end of round 2. Scores on wheels. Can you have the scores, please?
The scores are Puneet and Deepu on 30, Abhishek at 20, and Manish on 10.
Okay, still pretty tight. Pretty exciting in the buzzer round, which is our third round for the day. So can we have the rules, please? This is a rapid fire round. We'll have 10 total questions. Get 10 marks for the correct answer and -5 for the wrong answer or no answer. There is no passing on. Okay. So make sure you know the answer before guessing it. And please only speak out your names. The buzzer is your name. If you speak out the answer, even if it's correct or incorrect, you get negative markings for that. All right. So
Okay.
once your names are, you call out your names, Momo will judge whose name he's heard first, because I'm speaking, so usually I can't hear that well. And then we'll ask you to say out the correct answer.
Perfect.
Okay. Everybody,
Yeah.
all 4 of you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have the first question for the rapid fire, please. Yuche, can you have the first question, please? Who was the first batsman to be dismissed obstructing the field in T20 internationals?
Deepu.
Deepu,
Yes, Deepu.
Uh,
5 seconds remaining.
Sehwag.
Sehwag is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is a batsman very similar to Sehwag, Jason Roy. Can we have the second question, please? Who holds the record of scoring the highest score in an innings as a captain in T20 internationals? Five seconds remaining. All right. This question has no one's picked it up.
Puneet?
No.
Okay.
The time's up, but Puneet, you can take a guess. I mean, it won't be counted, but you can take a guess.
Morgan?
No, incorrect. The correct answer is Aaron Finch.
Okay.
He scored 172 of 76
Yeah.
balls versus Zimbabwe. Okay, can we have the third question, please? Which wicketkeeper holds the record of the highest number of
Manish.
stumpings?
Manish.
Yes, Manish. The time has started.
Kamran Akmal.
This was in ODIs. So anyway, the correct answer is MS Dhoni. He's
Oh,
got
I
123
thought so.
stumpings in 345 matches.
Kamran Akmal was the T20s, I think then.
T20s, yeah. Before I could finish ODIs, you went for it.
Yeah.
All right. Question number 4, please. On 30th December 2012 in an India-Pac encounter, this bowler took the wicket
Manish.
of his first delivery.
Deepu.
Manish.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar.
That's right. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar
Correct.
is the right answer.
sir.
His first delivery was the professor. Well done.
It was his debut as well.
Exactly, yes. Yeah, it was mentioned in the question, right? No, it wasn't mentioned. in the
But they
question.
lost the
All right,
match.
yes.
But it was his
Yes.
debut.
Yeah. Well done. Question number 5, please. What is the maximum score a pair can score in the first over of an Indo cricket match? 5 seconds remaining. 4 seconds remaining. 3 seconds remaining. 2 seconds remaining. 1 seconds remaining. 0 seconds remaining. 1 seconds remaining. 0 seconds remaining. 1 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 seconds remaining. 1
Deepu.
Deepu, go.
Yes, Deepu.
Who won the first
5
over?
seconds remaining.
42.
Yeah.
42 is the wrong answer. The correct answer, as per our stats guru, is 54.
Yeah, because there are
7
no balls.
on each of 6 no balls of the over. This
Correct.
pretty much looks like my bowling over. But
Calculating but Deepu said his name by then. Otherwise, I had the answer. Yeah.
yes. ये बड़े बॉलर को कहाँ नो बॉल ओवर पता है यार. हम जैसे बॉलर की तकलीफ है ये. Okay, can we have question number 6, please? Javed Miandad is the youngest player to score a double century in Test at the age of 19 years and 140 days. Who was
Puneet.
the opposition? New
Puneet.
Zealand, India, East Africa, or England?
Puneet.
Puneet. Yeah, Puneet.
Yes.
Sorry.
England.
England is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is New
England?
Zealand. The correct answer is New Zealand.
Hello.
Yeah. Puneet. There is a lag. I don't know. You can't hear me or? Vijay, don't go ahead. Let's just wait for Puneet to figure his audio out. Puneet?
Yeah. Now you can hear me.
Yeah. We can hear you. The correct answer is New Zealand. That was an incorrect. England was an incorrect guess. You're okay? You're in sync with me? You can hear me well?
Yes, I can. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Let's go for question number 7, please. Apart from Shahid Afridi, who is the only Pakistani to score
Deepu.
5,000 plus runs?
Deepu.
Yes, Deepu. Let me complete the question. 5,000
Okay,
plus
go.
runs and 250 wickets in ODIs. Yeah, go ahead.
Abdul Razak.
Abdul Razak is the right answer. On the screen, the time was up, but I'm giving it to you because I stopped you in between. Abdul Razak
Okay.
is the right answer. Well done. Question number 8, please. Which team has the highest win margin, 290 runs in ODIs?
Deepu.
Deepu.
Yes, Deepu. Your timer
Uh,
has started. 3 seconds.
Australia.
remaining.
Australia.
Australia is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is New Zealand. It was a match versus Ireland in 2008. Question number 9 for the rapid fire, please. Who is the highest wicket taker for England in ODIs? Five seconds remaining.
Deepu.
Deepu.
Yes, Deepu.
I'm just taking a guess. Darren Goff.
Darren Goff is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is James Anderson.
James,
He's picked
even
up
in ODI?
269 wickets in
Even in
194
ODI, I
balls.
thought only Test.
ODI? I didn't think so.
That's what I thought. Darren Goff was right. Anyway.
All right. The last question of the rapid fire. Buck up, guys. Who is the only South African to take 5-wicket hauls in all 3 formats?
Manish.
Manish.
Yes,
Dale
Manish.
Steyn?
Dale Steyn is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Imran Tahir.
Imran Tahir.
It could have been either Imran Tahir or Dale Steyn. I mean, it was a very close call.
Yeah, had to be
But
one.
usually you associate Imran Tahir with more of T20 internationals and all of that. Anyway,
Yeah.
well done. Scores on wheels. Momo.
Yeah. Scores are coming up. Are they coming up?
No. We see
Yeah,
a
yeah,
cliff.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can
okay.
see.
So Puneet Shah is on 25.
Abhishek and Deepu on 20 and Manish on 10.
Yeah.
Okay, still pretty close. This brings us to the start of round 4. This is where you guys can actually catapult yourself to the lead. So we'll just go to the rules of round 4 quickly. This is an identifying me round where you get 4 clues per each player. There will be a buzzer. There is no sequence as it's open. It's a buzzer round. There'll be 3 questions only. So there are 4 clues per question. If you get it right in the first clue, you get 20 marks. Second clue, you get 15 points. Third clue, 10 points. And last clue, you get 5 points. For every wrong answer, you get a negative marking. over here you can pass on the question. Okay, so the question gets passed on. But say Abhishek goes first and he says it incorrectly. Once I say it's incorrect, the buzzer has to start again. So I will not hear who went first with Abhishek and second someone say I heard probably Abhishek and Manish. That's not how it works. If the answer is incorrect, the buzzer starts again. Okay. So everything is clear, all four of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have the first question, please. First clue for the first question. I dismissed Kumar Sangakkara with the first ball I bowled in tests in 2011.
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Go ahead, Abhishek.
Nathan Lyon.
What a guess. What a guess.
Oh, good
Nathan
one.
Lyon is the right answer. Excellent. Oh, you know it. Oh, you know. Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Beautiful.
Well
Well
done.
done. Nobody has gone so fast in the first round and taken a first clue guess or knowing the right answer immediately. Well done. Okay. You get 20 points for that. Question number 2. First clue, please. I have bowled the fastest record delivery in
Manish.
Test cricket.
Deepu.
Manish.
We got Manish.
Shoaib
Yes,
Akhtar.
Manish. Shoaib Akhtar is the incorrect answer.
Puneet.
Deepu, I said next. I said
No, but
Deepu was there after Manish.
No. As I told you that it has to start again after I said incorrect answer. So you'll have to start
Oh.
again. This is where I got Puneet here. Momo, is
Okay,
Puneet
go.
the right person to go ahead?
Yes, Puneet, please.
Puneet,
Brett Lee.
Brett Lee is the incorrect answer.
Oh.
Okay.
Deepu.
Let's.
Deepu.
Yes, Deepu.
Sean Tate.
Sean Tate is the incorrect answer.
Puneet.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes,
Puneet.
Puneet.
Shane Bond.
Shane Bond is the incorrect answer.
Oh, wow. You all got it wrong.
Okay.
Abhishek is playing it smart.
All right. Let's go to the second clue here. I am married to a World Cup winning
Manish.
cricketer.
Deepu.
Manish.
We got
Mitchell
Manish.
Stark.
We got Manish.
Mitchell Stark.
Mitchell Stark is the right answer. Well done.
Ian is playing
You
right as the
almost-
right.
I mean, Mitchell Stark नहीं होता तो फिर पता नहीं कौन होता यहाँ पे डिंडा रह जाता बस सब तो गैस के लिए तुम लोग चलो well done and now we've got the last question. Momo, before we start the last question, QJ, 1 second, can we have the scores please?
The scores are right now Abhishek is leading at 40, Manish 20, Deepu 15 and Puneet 15. So Manish, if
Okay,
he
so-
goes with the 20 points, ties the game.
He can tie the game with Abhishek, and if Abhishek gets it right, he can go at 60. Well, all
Or,
right.
or a negative of any other.
Anything can happen. So it's pretty much very tight here. Everyone is still in the game. If we have a Mitchell Stark kind of a question, then we can expect more negative markings coming up. All right. Last question of the game. Can we have the first clue, please? I once held the record for the fastest 50 and the
Deepu,
fastest 100
Manish.
in ODI.
Deepu.
Deepu.
Yes, Deepu.
There's no timer or there is timer? There is timer, right?
Go ahead. There's a timer in my mind.
ABD Williams. ABD Williams.
Manish.
ABD Williams is the incorrect answer.
Manish.
Manish.
Go for it.
Shahid Afridi.
Shahid Afridi is the incorrect answer.
Ah.
Puneet.
Puneet, go ahead.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli is the incorrect answer.
Next clue.
Puneet.
Okay. Puneet.
Corey Anderson.
Corey Anderson is the incorrect answer. Okay. Can we go for clue number 2, please? My achievements in ODIs are over 12,000 runs.
Deepu.
Deepu.
Sanat Jaiswalia.
Sanat Jaiswalia is the right answer. Well done.
Wow. Good one.
I knew
Good one, Deepu.
I was taking the first time guess also. I was not sure after the second time Puneet said Corey Anderson. I was like, no, let's see, go with second clue.
Yeah, sometimes it's it pays off if you just wait for the second clue. Anyways, well done. I think this was the best round that I've been part of. A lot of participation in every question, which was very nice. And some of you got really nice answers at this, and some of you really bombed really bad with Mitchell Stark. But that's okay. It happens. All right, guys. Well done. This is the end of the show. Next, we'll take it on the group for all the banter. Well done, guys.
Thank you
Cheers.
so much,
everyone.
madam.
Take care.
Thank you so much,
Cheers,
madam.
cheers.
Thanks,
Thank
thanks,
Just
man.
want to
Cheers.
say it was a fair game. It was a fair game by all the participants.
Yes, that's true. A very well, a game played in the right spirit and the right manner. Well done. I hope
Thank
other
you.
participants also learn from this, because in the end, we are all friends who've come together in these difficult times to just, be part of something that we all love, which is cricket. There's no use
Absolutely.
cheating.
Well said,
वो
or
लोग नहीं है आज.
But I think Bora is cheating.
शेर भाई अभी भी चालू है आपका.
I think Bora is cheating. Bora is cheating.
I can request AQ Bora to not sleep. It's very intimidating for others to watch you sleep every time. Please, guys, sit and watch or put your video off.